Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce the date mesh bag for you. It's used for protect the date fruit against the bird and insect. The common size is 17 by 90 cm, 40 gram per pieces, 80 by 100 cm, 53 gram per pieces. The top and bottom is open with black drawstring. As the professional supplier, we used 100% virgin material. The saving work is nice and the mesh is average. You can check it. As the professional supplier with more than 10 years experience, welcome to inquire us freely. We must quote you the best price. We guarantee the quality. Welcome to inquire us.